Hey everyone, I am Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you a Mexican dish, crispy black bean tacos. It is super easy to make and absolutely delicious it tastes with creamy jalapeno sauce, which I'm gonna show you in this video as well. To my new viewers, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this recipe video. Let's start off with the creamy jalapeno sauce. You can use this creamy jalapeno sauce in any Mexican dish, like burritos, top it on tostada, or enjoy it with some chips as dip. So into the bowl, take 1 cup of sour cream. I have this cilantro puree that I made. I basically blended few cilantros in blender to make this cilantro puree. So 1.5 tablespoon of cilantro puree. With that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ranch dip mix, which is this. You can find it in any grocery stores. Then of course, I'll need jalapeno. So 1/8 cup of chopped fresh jalapeno. 1 tablespoon of lime juice, or you can add according to your taste. And just a pinch of salt. Alright, let's give this a mix. If you're planning to use creamy jalapeno sauce as dip, then I would recommend to just go easy on lime juice and try to adjust it according to your taste. If you're not a big fan of fresh jalapeno, then you can use canned jalapenos as well. Just roughly chop them and then add it into the sauce. Also, to make extra spicy, you can add chopped green chilies. Creamy jalapeno sauce is ready. So let's put this aside. Now let's get the taco shells and tortillas ready. Preheat the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my oven safe tray here. I'm gonna use these corn taco shells and these corn tortillas. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this corn tortilla into this corn taco shell, like this, and put it on the tray. I'll prepare some more, and into the oven these goes for about 7 minutes. While the taco shells and corn tortillas are in the oven, let's assemble the black bean salad. I have a bowl here, and into the bowl, I'll take 1.5 cups of cooked black beans. Now you can check out my recipe on how I cook these black beans at home in my Chipotle burrito bowl recipe video. The link is in the description box down below. I have 1 finely chopped large bell pepper, 2 chopped medium-sized deseeded tomatoes, 1 finely chopped jalapeno. I did not remove the seeds because I like it spicy, but you can remove the seeds or avoid adding jalapeno. It's totally up to you. I also have half medium-sized red onions finely chopped. I'll leave onions separate from the salad. If you don't have picky eaters in your home, then you can mix them with the salad. The black bean salad is incomplete without cilantros, so half cup of roughly chopped cilantro. I also have 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning on the side. I would recommend not to mix this seasoning in the salad because taco seasoning have salt content that would make the vegetables release water, and you do not want your tacos becoming soggy due to water in salad mix. So I am going to keep the seasoning separate and use it as topping. Mix everything. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, let's put this black bean salad aside and I'll check on the taco shells. I had to rearrange these taco shells before I placed it in the oven, but the tortillas still bent and actually they broke from the middle. But hey, it's fine. No one is going to notice the broken tortillas after these tacos are stuffed with amazing flavorful toppings. So let's start filling the tacos, starting with some chopped lettuce. Then fill some black bean salad. You can fill up the tacos as much as you want. After all, You are the king or queen of your tacos. Put some chopped red onion, some shredded cheese, sprinkle some taco seasoning on top, and top it with some creamy jalapeno sauce. This creamy jalapeno sauce is really important in this black bean tacos because it's the key ingredient and it brings out amazing flavor when added to these tacos. Let's prepare the rest of the tacos. Now that I have all my tacos ready, I'll top them with avocado slices. Didn't I say in the beginning that it's gonna be super easy to make? And I bet you will love it. I got 9 on 10 points for these tacos. Now it's your turn to make these crispy black bean tacos, but don't forget to tag me and follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. The link is down below in the description box. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.